In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine different image and text files in a Word document and save as a PDF document. First, you need to open up a blank Word document, and then you can type directly into the document. You can copy and paste text from different sources. Okay, so this is copy text from this web page. Next, you can take screenshots, and the shortcut for Windows is the window key Shift and S, and I'm going to capture this output machine. I'm going to paste it directly into a document. Control V. Okay, that's a screenshot. You can insert a table. So let's say I want to insert a data table. All I need to do is go to insert table, select how many rows and columns I want, and there you have it. So now I have this table. I can format the text to any color. You can also insert images stored on your computer. So insert pictures. You can resize the inserted image. You can format the text wrapping options. You can also insert different things like shapes. You can draw or doodle on your document. And whenever you're satisfied, go to File, click Save As, and then click this arrow, and from this drop down list select PDF, and make sure to specify in which folder you want to save the document. So I'm saving to the same location where the original Word file was saved. So click Save, and if I go to the location where the file was saved, you can see here how to combine different image and text file in a Word document and save as PDF. Let's open this, and right here I have a nice PDF of the Word document that I just created. And all I need to do now is go to the website where I want to upload this document. Let's say I'm submitting the report for this lab, where it says browse my computer and attach files. I'm going to click on that option, and then it takes me directly to the location because this is the last location I open on my computer. and here is the document. So click on this and click on submit.